Wonderful.
I like your pink hats.
Yeah, you know, you have to blend with nature.
I find every time
The
I come
sun,
here, you are
the
some
rain, everything. Whatever it comes with, you have to embrace it.
You're stylish. You're stylish person.
And you too, keeping you cool.
It's so cute. When they land on your finger, it's like it's tickles.
You don't like our rum? What happened?
No, I say
I
I say every spice rum I think is Moby and white rum mix.
It probably is.
Let me see if cracking any different.
It's all-
सुहानी रात कर चुकी ना जाने तुम कब आओगे.
While everybody organizing, I'll just talk to myself then, right? So guys, we are back. Guess who? You would never guess.
No.
Tyrone and family.
This man again.
Everybody again. This man again. You know, he's now an honorary part of the team. And then we have the squad going on here. Some new faces. How was your flight, sir?
Oh, fantastic.
I heard you tried to get a bomb through custom. Through the, not you. I'm just making sure. You can't bring the bomb on the bus, right? Well, guys, anyway, welcome to Trini Surf Experience at Island Girl Tours. We're going to have a fantastic day. You're going to see a whole lot. And yet again, the weather seems perfect, which is what we
Tyron
want.
brought that weather.
Tyron brought the weather.
Last time he brought rain, so he's making up for it.
It's good after that.
Yeah.
But at least after this 5th trip, Alan's going to call me Tyron, not Tyrone.
Tyrone, oh God, Tyron. You prefer that?
I just call him Rushmania.
Tyron. Right. But anyway, like his shirt says, we're in a bit of a rush to go and get the food now. So
Everybody
let's move on. You hungry? Show of hands here. Who's ever had doubles before?
Of course. Never had double before?
Never. Was never.
No, never.
What about Alu Pie?
Alo pie.
Everybody, boy.
All right.
Show of hands here. Who don't like David?
Push on.
I like your vibe.
You don't like Alan, you know.
Yeah,
Well, then
no.
everybody got to jump like that.
It's a rhetorical question. Everybody loves Alan. Okay, so let's get on the bus.
Let's do it.
There we go.
We're ready. This is a slide.
Like,
Waiting patiently.
Another slide. Right, let's keep sending slide.
yes, like, pepper.
Which one is better? This one or the one in Trinidad?
Trinidad better.
See so?
You want an the hot spot.
The hot spot.
Sample, yeah, sample on it.
Nice. It's alright? Worth all the 3 days of flight delays?
Nice.
So it's nice, it is nice. And it's fresh off the prior, so it's tasty, you know?
Yeah.
Press, what do you have? It's coming up. The pie's coming. The pie's coming. Is that slide, right? Another one again?
Loaded Filori.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, so it's hot.
Chris, can you pass from the servers? Another one?
Be mindful, it's hot.
What, is this coconut?
Yes. Try.
Coconut. Yeah, you go for it. It might just be hot, okay? So be careful.
Yeah,
As our friend is
just
out there.
try it.
And give us your verdict. Good? Good. It's worth it, it's worth it.
It's so good.
When
It's spicy?
It has a little bit of
Slide pepper, slide.
No, watch.
No,
Take this
yes,
one on the
yes.
side here.
What's your name?
My name? I am Sue.
Sue? Sue. I want my pie, I want my pies.
But I send your pie out for you long time. You
I
have
see
to get
it.
your pie?
Nothing pie.
I'm gonna
Win
sing a
pie.
pie for you now.
Ah, you good.
How are you? Good?
I good. You good?
Yes, I'm good.
You looking happy?
Good? Yes, I always happy. This make me happy.
It must make you happy.
Making you happy, it make me happier. Right?
Look, the pie is good. The pie is good.
I send them out to you.
Yes.
Good?
No, I put mine in my belly just now. It's nice to see
I
you.
hope you're nice seeing you as well.
Let me see that. Where are they?
Apple pie. Play.
Nice.
You're good at now.
My baby.
Save the best for last.
It's still hot too, yes?
Yes, piping hot rice. Way up the hot
Right. Yeah, that's the thing to try.
It's either you love it or
They call that the nectar of the gods, you know. The gods of the underworld.
The Mayan gods.
You don't like our rum? What happened?
No, I
Just
say
later.
I say every spice rum I think is Moby and white rum mix.
It probably is.
Let me see if cracking any different.
It's all a gimmick.
Well, let me see if I will.
You want some crack in? No, you gotta send you back to bottle holding school.
it's for coconut water.
We are drunk with coconut.
Tell me what happened?
Drunk with
Nothing.
coconut water.
Drunk it.
Coconut
Alright. Alright, Tyrone, you're on.
If you drink enough coconut water, you can get diarrhea.
Alright, Tyrone here.
Right? Toast to all my family and friends from UK, I'm from Tampa, from Canada, and from Trinidad. Trini
Costa
Surf
Rica.
Experience.
Costa Rica, you can't leave out Costa Rica.
Right? Bottoms up.
Bottoms up, bottoms up.
Bottoms up.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
It's nice, yeah? It's smooth, boys. Smooth.
It tastes like Moby and White too.
It's smooth, eh?
It does taste like Moby a bit.
Yeah, that's what you say. Tell me. To be honest, you know, you're hype up nothing. It's rubbish.
This
Somebody
stronger.
drunk from coconut water.
Little strong, yeah.
Okay, too strong.
Nah, I
Wanna
getting
keep
more
on a little cup
rum
full of
than
ya?
the spice, but it's strong. Good.
Fair enough, fair enough.
Yeah, it's real good.
So we're at the beautiful Castara beach now. Castara village. And some people are going to go to the beach, and who wants to go, we're going to head up into the waterfall now. Beautiful, beautiful place. And you all can see there's weather. Really, really lovely.
So don't stop believing that we'll rise up to the system that we wise up until we standing strong again. Don't stop believing that we'll rise up to the system and we wise up until we standing strong again. Don't stop.
Brave man.
You want to be brave?
You had to be brave to wear them pants. Let me see, well, you going?
Man criticizing my pants.
Yeah, damn right. This is an honest store, you know. Tell, you having the,
That's tropical pants, you know.
your pockets empty?
Yeah.
Alright.
Nice and cool.
Nice and cool, eh? Nice and cool. You hear that? Look. Go in. Make sure your pockets empty, eh? We will not be responsible for any phones or anything lost in the water.
My pocket always empty, so.
Yeah, I was born broke.
My wife has it all.
Use your hands. It's okay to get low and use your hands. Guys, rule of thumb, get in quick or else it's torture. Just go in. The longer you take is problem. You fall of trust. Woo! That's it. Feel the pain. Picture time. Hi. Welcome guys, welcome.
Sam, let us stand up and look up.
Yes.
I like
very
your
wonderful.
I like your pink hat.
Yeah, you know, you have to blend with nature.
I find every time
The
I come
sun,
here, you are
the
some
rain,
kind
everything. Whatever it comes with, you have to embrace it.
You're stylish. You're
Yeah.
stylish person. I like that. I like that. Yeah, I find plenty birds around these days. Like.
Yes, plenty. The nesting season just over, so you
Okay.
have a lot of juveniles going into adult.
Okay, that's good.
Yes.
Yeah, right. So this will hand everybody. And let us move around.
Sorry. Figure it.
Sharif, are that yours? That yours?
Okay, Tyler.
Yeah, I don't know. I couldn't find him.
Wait, let me. Okay.
Look, listen. Tara was asking if it
See that.
Tara, you want one? Okay,
Nah, I'm going to take pictures.
The birds are in the mood today.
Nice. They're all white tail.
Said nesting season just finished as well too, so it's a lot of juveniles.
I've never seen so many people today. So much.
When they feel warm when they sit on.
Cheryl's has built a whole new deck here. It's real nice, huh?
Real top spot here.
But the crazy thing too is that when I first started coming here, I don't know, 3 years or 4 years ago, whenever it was just that shed up there where everybody sat up now.
Yeah.
End of story.
Yeah, yeah.
And over the years, she built this deck, this bathroom with water and everything. The downstairs and upstairs where we go and eat and everything now, all that is brand new. None of that was here before.
So business is good.
And she's doing real well.
Alright, do we want to? Real nice, yeah.
Right, well I know a whole much everybody watching me film and they're trying to eat. So, well, go ahead, dig in. What's this? Potato salad,
Yeah.
callaloo, I believe, cuckoo, rice, fish, chicken, peas, hungry people, more hungry people.
We have some curry maniku for Tara.
Sorry, Manaku for all yeah. Everybody waiting patiently in line. You're gonna feed the birds and eat food at the same
Where do I
time.
put this?
I can hold it for you.
You want me to carry it out? Okay.
Yeah, we can take it upstairs so they have birds. Yes, uncle, go eat some food there. We have these beautiful hammocks and everything now. Of course, the unbeatable views always. It might be hot there.
Yeah, that's the
Nice, very nice.
It's good, it's good. Not too hot.
No, not too
Sometimes
hot.
I just drink it and just burn away my whole mouth and everything.
Yeah, it's very good.
It's delicious.
Mm.
Well done, well done.
What is it?
Natural.
I love it as well.
Cocoa tea.
How the ice cream tasting?
Bloody delicious.
Alcoholic or non-alcoholic?
Alcoholic.
Very good. I would like to hear it. Nah, and homemade everything, eh?
Really?
Yeah, she makes everything.
She did a good job.
No, she's well versed in it at this point in time. So yeah, you gotta try that afterwards. The local chocolate.
Definitely. Is this it right
Yes.
Yes, that is it.
Yeah. Okay.
How the ice cream tasting? Yummy?
This is amazing for
Alcohol is good.
Yeah, there you go. You can't go wrong.
There's like a million spices
nice.
in there. I don't know the spices, but it's so good.
Oh my gosh, so good.
You like
girl.
it?
Oh, I love it.
Have you on camera really doing Indian dances?
Costa Rica, estoy tomando té de chocolate.
I have to get Netflix to put some captions and things like that.
I'm drinking tea, chocolate tea.
Ooh.
First time.
You helping my channel. Now my channel is like Rosetta Stone.
Está delicioso, gente. Vengan aquí. Esto es amazing, girls.
It's nice, huh?
Boys, yes.
Alright, brother.
Nasty rush beer.
I know, eh? We had a chair. Good. We had a chairs.
Right?
So a great man. By that I mean Neil Piet, not Tyler.
Very good,
Very good, eh?
Yeah.
Cheers, brother.
Yes, boy.
Thanks for coming back again.
No worries, no
To
worries.
the number one band in all of Canada and the 2006 best band in the world.
he said that before, eh? He know what's going on.
We better let him promote Russia. Right?
Good thing Russia need any promotion.
Yeah.
Right, Top River
I thought they sponsored.
Falls.
This is
The last waterfall for today, and then maybe a beach and heading home.
Alright guys, this way.
Anyway, wrong two. Now you're drunk from rush.
I'm drunk from the soursop rum.
And all the other rum for the day.
And so coming out.
No way.
Don't fall
To
long.
be in here. Yeah, because I saw you wearing the Rush t-shirt. And that's the only time I contact you. Because
Big mistake.
And what 5 short later, Tyler?
It stays, you asked if it's deep? Is that what you asked?
Yeah. Is it?
So in line where that tree is over there, you can still probably stand up to like your chest. Only right in front of the waterfall, it gets to about like your face. Yeah.
Just be careful if they.
Yeah, watch out for the rocks and things as well.
Go on now.
I bet you can jump up on the top here. The top, hey? Hey boy?
There are no doubt
Jump up on the top here. Here, hold my beer.
you can absolutely jump here, just won't make it. Man, I waste no time getting on the swing.
All the way back to Trinidad.
Take care of the ocean reclaim, yeah?
I belong in the ocean.
Yeah, I agree.
If it claims me, I will be happy.
I hear that. Nice sunshine though.
Green rock.
It's nice, huh?
Yeah. Very strange to be amongst the other rocks. Pretty neat. Like emeralds.
Exactly. I was just gonna say like an emerald kind of color.
Maybe this big emeralds we could be rich
Yeah,
with.
I would love to be rich.
How
Surely I'll ease up some of my life right now, that's for sure. You enjoy it eh? You think your family enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Good.
Oh yeah. Especially my UK cousins.
That's it too. You know, I know you're always trying to bring new people or whatever and to share what you already enjoy, you know?
Yeah.
And they get a good day,
Yeah.
weather-wise as well.
Yeah, it was a very good day. No complaints.
No complaints at all. Well, yeah, watch out for the thorns, eh?
Yes, behind you.
Go by the tree.
What kind of tree is this?
Silk cotton tree.
Cotton tree?
Silk cotton. But yes, cotton. This is the tree that they do all kind of black magic and thing under.
Hello.
Nice and big.
Hello. Hey guys, watch out.
Cars come in.
Baby, don't touch the tree.
I'm laughing. You haunted for life, that's it.
I'm already haunted. I'm Mary Hussey.
It's true, it's true.
That's it. Couple smoky pipe.
Alright, everybody go and touch the haunted tree.
Come, boy, come.
Go and touch your haunted tree.
This is where the lake water jump in, is it?
Yes, exactly. Alright.
सुहानी रात कर चुकी ना जाने तुम कब आओगे सुहानी रात कर चुकी ना जाने तुम कब आओगे
Fort James. We're gonna go to war. Are you all ready? We're ready for action. We're gonna fire some cannons.
Alright, good.
Live our best life.
About time we fired some cannons.
Exactly. I know the tour has been boring as hell up until this point. Time to get on crazy.
Having to listen to everybody else's music.
Exactly. Yeah. Driving us insane. Photographer, are you doing okay? Ooh, very nice. It's funny how you end up using your phone a lot even when you have professional equipment.
I know. I'm not. I just need to figure out how to use that camera.
It's fine. The phones are proficient these days, right?
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
know.
This is an old phone. I need to get a better one at some point.
You use what you have, as they say.
Yes.
Alright, guys. Is it safe to say you enjoyed your tour today?
Yeah. Very safe.
Fantastic. Well, thank you very much for coming out.
And thank
You're very familiar people to us now. So we're happy to have you, and we expect now that you will return every year without fail at this point in time.
We want to take short of 6 times a year for Tyrone, right?
Exactly.
We had to say.
You have set an expectation that must not be broken, or else there will be serious consequences. Yeah? But thank you very much, and I hope everybody has a great rest of trip, and we'll see you all soon. Yeah.
Chad, do me a favor.